Microsoft cheap kit. Tell you what, it's cheap. Yep. It's made in China. It's not up to Microsoft's quality of standards, and they're giving these away as free kits. It's a thing that shipped one yesterday. You won twice yesterday. That's why I'm glad we're not here today, because all you can do is blow.
Former President Donald Trump sat down for an extended interview last night.
The first hour, Twitter got DDoS attacked.
A much anticipated interview of Donald Trump by Elon Musk on the social media platform X is underway after initially being hit by major technical problems.
We unfortunately had a massive distributed denial of service attack against our servers.
For an entire hour, Elon Musk came on to explain that they started nearly an hour late because his entire system was being DDoS attacked to take down Twitter. And that's gigabits of data stream, right? That's hundreds of gigabits of data stream, right? Because they have vast broadband and lots of connectivity. And somebody completely crippled them for an entire hour before they got under control. Somebody did not want the conversation to go ahead.
We're going to do some cabling work where we're going to run some cable. They're having a house redone inside. So we're going to run some cable from where they already have broadband point come into. And we're doing first fix so that we've got areas to put APs into. So you're going to watch and come along with us while we run some cable in place. Kind of got a measure on where I want stuff to go. Floor above.
Exactly the right position for us at their
Exactly like that.
He's about to do something stupid.
I'm too short.
It's not one to do it, Chris.
this side.
I think I figured out the issue there, Chris. You've got to make sure the drill is going forward, not back.
Just look at the flowers.
Hi Christopher. So we've got 4 of our cables into place where we need them to be. We've got 1 more for an external AP which is going here, which Rob is just pulling into place now. Drill a hole through to pop the cable through. Once that's through, we need to pull the channels up in the floor so that we can drop the cable into them, take them off, terminate the external and on, and pushing out Wi-Fi and test it in the office. That's today's job. Come round this brick, up over the top of a tie rod that I can see from here, and that should get us to about the right height.
can pull.
I might be tall, but it
Yeah.
takes a while to
But
reach
you're
some
gangly.
places.
Yeah, that's why I bring you, because you're tall. On this wall here, in line with that, at the same height. So it points that way.
Okay.
Got me?
Yep.
Okay.
So, see that thing you're standing on?
Yeah.
The foundation of every successful story.
Failed.
We've run a cable from the kitchen area over there where the router is, along the floor area through behind where the fake wall is going to be. So we have two cables going into another room, one cable going into this, two cables actually going into the kitchen area, and then we have another one coming outside here for an external AP to bounce over to the office area down there. Stay tuned.
There's no mounting bracket for the external AP.
That helps.
Yeah. Robin should have finished taping all the cable down. Robin will mount the bracket while I terminate the one end of the cable, pop it into place. I will then program the AP. So the AP is programmed with Wi-Fi for them for the garden. We mount it, terminate the cable, mount it, point it, test it.
I was on a roll there, Chris.
Go on
I was
then.
doing well. As you would have seen around the corner, I did some insulation on the cable to make sure that it doesn't get burned from the heat of the gas pipes or the central heater pipes. So we're just doing the same in this room to that little corner just behind Chris's legs.
Pop the cable off and tidy it away in a second. AP is in place. I'm just about to connect the cable on the other end. Just emptying tools out of my pocket, because otherwise I'll end up going home with tools in my pocket. Cool. And your Wi-Fi on.
A few moments later.
350 meg at the bottom of the garden. Yeah. I still got Wi-Fi off of that freaking AP here.
Yeah.
So I had 350 meg down, right, and 70 meg up at the bottom of the garden. Now that's through like 3 walls from here. I still get 50 meg off of it. And I'm inside the house the other side. So we fit cable, we've run cable, we fitted an external access point to the back of the house pointing down the garden. I went down the bottom of the garden and we were getting 380 meg download, about 70 meg up. I've now connected it with the lady of the house, went to her office at the bottom of the garden, got her to connect to the 5G on Wi-Fi. Super fast, over nearly 300 meg I think download, which before she was below 40, so she can do what she needs to do. First fix of cables is done, and then we will be back here for second fix, which is termination of cables once their ceilings are up, their walls are up, and popping in APs.
Bye.